When carrying out follicular unit hair transplant surgery, we harvest hair from the back and sides of the scalp, all the way around from ear to ear. The amount of hair that's available depends on the elasticity of the patient's skin in the scalp. Now, patients can help us greatly by increasing that elasticity by carrying out massage exercises prior to the surgery. Patients undergoing a hair transplant should carry out the scalp massage regularly prior to the procedure. This will improve the flexibility and elasticity of the skin and will allow the surgeon to take significantly more hair. Patients are advised to carry out the scalp massage regularly throughout the day, aiming for a total of 20 minutes per day. The emphasis should be on the back and sides and over the ears to allow for the maximum movement in the skin.